On this side guys, mas mura na siya. Imagine itong mga long sleeve polo, 5 ringgit. Meron din silang mga branded na pants. Ayan. Katulad dito, it's Levi's. Good morning guys! It's a gloomy Saturday morning today, and of course, it's our rest day, walang pasok. So, I'm planning of going outside. So, the plan for today is thrifting. So, come with me, thrifting here in Malaysia. For today's outfit guys, I'm just wearing a plain navy blue Uniqlo t-shirt and a black sweatshirt, and then for the shoes, I just have a Reebok white sneakers. Para comfy lang tayo and maka-check tayo ng magagandang finds dun sa ukay-ukay. Guys, sasakay tayo ng MRT, that's the Green Line here sa Malaysia. Ang way na masasakyan natin is going to Quezon Damansara, then bababa tayo dun sa Dulong Station, Quezon Damansara Station, and then lilipat tayo ng Putrajaya Line, that is the yellow line, and then dun na malapit, I'll tell you later kung saan tayo bababa when we ride the Putrajaya Line, kasi like I think 3 stations away lang yun from the Putrajaya Line or from Quezon. Pagkababa nyo guys ng Quezon Damansara, lilipat kayo dito sa tawid. Itong Putrajaya Line naman, sa color yellow na line, platform 3, dyan. Bababa tayo sa yung pang-apat, yung Sri Damansara Bharat. And dyan malapit yung JBR Bundle Sri Damansara.
Exit to the right door.
Sa pinto B, dito ka lalabas, doon mamaya. Pagbaba mo dyan, Doon ka lalakad pa kaliwa. And we made it here guys. Nandito tayo sa JBR Bundle Bandar Sri Damansara branch. So let's go inside. Loob ng JBR Bundle guys. Sa right side, nandito yung mga toys, hard items, mga home, mga plato. Pumunta tayo dyan later. Mga baby kids or things. Doon sa taas, kung makikita nyo, nandun yung tag-2 ringgit lang guys, imagine those prices. And ito para siyang dagat ng mga racks, nagsisimula sa mga pants, and then yan dito sa side na yan hanggang dun sa dulo, dito mga shoes, and then mga bags dun later, mga shoes din uli dun. Kagandahan sa kanya guys, divided na siya, segmented into men's, children's, and women's. Tapos bawat rack may mga prices naman na makikita nyo. So, napakadaling i-explore. Dito sa side na to, nandito yung Japan origin. Yung mga item dito galing ng Japan, most of. On this side guys, meron silang mga bike, yung Korean bike, mountain bikes, ayan. Yung mga prices, that's in RM ha, not in Philippine peso. So it times 10 or 12 nyo na lang, depende sa palitan. Future mummies natin, meron din silang mga baby carrier. I think ito yung nilalagay sa car. Ayan. 38 RM, 48 RM. Mukha pa siyang bago actually. Ito 38 RM lang. Ayan, 38 RM. So, in Philippine peso, that's around 380 to 400 pesos lang. This side naman guys, they have plates. Ayan, mga tig 2 ringgit lang. 2 ringgit. Mga platito guys. Ayan. Ayan. Of course, since ano na siya, second hand na, hindi na ganun karami yung stocks. Hindi na siya pare-pareho. Pero look at this. Every piece actually, it's unique. Ayun yung kagandahan. This side, mga teacups naman guys. Ayan, mga 12 ringgit set na yan siya. Ayan, mga different teacups, mugs. Ayan. And mga plates din dito sa kabila. Ito parang coral pa yung quality niya. Ang ganda. Meron din siyang partner na platito. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Look at those prices guys. Yung mga pants, mga 5 ringgit lang. So that's around 50 pesos. Yung mga 10, that's around 100 pesos. Ayan. Yung mga selection. Nandito pa lang tayo sa harap actually. Ayan. Mga pants, mga jeans, mga children and kids department pa lang tong areang to. And then, ayan. Mga pambatang mga jeans, mga damit. And then kagandahan, may mga maayos na fitting room. So, you can really check if fit sa inyo yung mga gamit. On this side naman guys, mga shoes yan. Ayan. A6, oh, ang ganda pa ng quality. Look at that. Ayan. This is 58 ringgit lang guys. Ayan, may mga Puma, yung mga shoes nila. Easy guys, 78 lang yung Easy. I think this one is not my size, medyo maliit. 78 ringgit pero maganda pa yung quality niya. On this side naman, meron din silang mga branded na pants. Ayan. Katulad dito, it's Levi's guys, na cargo pants. Ayan, maganda pa yung quality. And it's Levi's, imagine. And then meron din silang Dickies. Ayan. Meron din silang Dockers. Napakaayos ng mga racks nila guys. Ayan. Ayan, doon mga 8 size 8 and size 9. Ganun nakaayos yung kanilang mga shoes guys. From the start, mga 5, then 6, eto 7, 8, 9, 10. Para mas madali mong makita yung iyong size. This is a cute polo guys. It's actually H&M. Look at this one. H&M and it's just 12.90. So sa Philippine peso it's around 150 pesos lang. Look at the quality. Super ganda pa. I'm not sure what's the size but I'll check it later. Susukat ko siya. And then this one, Amore. Ganda rin ito guys, Amore. Sukatin ko to later. Look at this polo guys. It's Pierre Balmain. Look at that. Ang ganda niya. Kaso I don't think it will fit me. Medyo malaki siya pero ang ganda pa ng kondisyon. Ang gaganda ng selection ng mga polos nila dito. Ang daming H&M. Yung mga brands. Ayan. This one guys, a Michael Kors long sleeve polo. If you need coats guys, meron din sila ditong mga coats ganyan. And ang gaganda pa ng quality. Hindi siya mukhang laspag, grabe. Look at this. See that? Napakaganda pa niya. And that's 12 ringgit lang, so that's around 150. If you need black shoes, they also have black shoes aside from the rubber shoes na nakita natin din kanina. Meron din ditong mga black shoes. Yan, leather shoes hanggang dun sa dulo. And hiking shoes dun sa dulo. This one guys, it's a pants, cargo pants, tapos may pagka-jogger yung kanyang dulo. Ang ganda niya, grabe, kaso medyo mahal. It's 25 ringgit. So it's around 250 to 270 pesos sa Philippines. Pero ang ganda ng details, ang unique. Look at that. Pag-isipan natin. By the way guys, they also have caps in here. So, if you wanted to check on some caps na second hand or ukay or thrift, ayan siya. Hanggang doon sa dulo, may caps. This is our pick guys. Kakauwi lang natin. Ginabi na tayo, grabe. I'll have this clean muna. Then, we'll have a try-on haul ng mga to. Let me show you some of it. Ayan. Karamihan polo, tsaka top yung pamili ko. Ito, 12 ringgit. Hello guys, and finally nakapag-shoot na nga tayo. I think It's been 2 days since nung nag-ukay tayo last Saturday. It's already Tuesday. Actually, lahat ng nakuha nating ukay-ukay or nabili nating ukay-ukay sa JBR bundle, nalaban ko na para goods na siya suotin later on. Actually, maraming magaganda dun sa JBR bundle. Napakalaki niya lang, and tulad naman ng pinakita ko sa inyo guys, meron pa siyang second floor. So, I suggest if pupunta kayo doon, siguro mga medyo aga-agahan nyo na lang. Although, nagbubuka siya around 10 to up until 12 midnight naman siya. So, para mas mahaba yung time nyo at mas makapili kayo ng maayos, medyo agahan nyo. So, let me show you guys my finds. Ewan ko ba, napakarami kong nabiling polo. Siguro dahil mag 100% back to office na kami coming last quarter of this year. So, medyo kakailanganin ko ng damit pamasok. So, let's start. Una ko nakuha is this one guys. A pullover white shirt. Ayan siya guys. Nung nabili ko to, meron siyang stain dito. May color black. Good thing, after kong malaban, nawala naman. And yung color niya super white pa. Hindi siya yung medyo dirty white na super puting-puti pa siya. Ang brand is Aqua Garage. Ayan, Aqua Garage yung kanyang brand. I'll be showing some of the clips here ng try-on ko sa kanya para makita nyo rin kung anong itsura pag sinusuot na siya. So, this is just 5 ringgit, guys. Tulad ng pinakita ko sa inyo na yung prices nag-range into from 3 ringgit, 2, 3, then 5, and then meron din mga 12. And pag medyo maganda talaga yung quality and medyo branded siya, doon siya nagiging 20, 28. Ganun yung mga prices niya. This one, this pullover white, I got this for 5 ringgit only. Next is, let's put it here. Next is this one. I know, nakikita nyo rin sa TikTok, sa social media, uso yung mga polo shirt na parang knitted, ganyan, and then summery vibes, ganyan. Etong dirty white color, dirty white talaga yung color niya, hindi siya dahil luma lang, ganon. Hindi naman to crochet or knitted, but the thing is giving knitted vibes or linen, something like that. Medyo magaspang, and it's good. It's good. Ang ganda niya. I'll show this to you pag nasuot ko na siya. I think I wanted to pair this with like beige or like cream bottom para mas ma-emphasize yung ganda niya. And the fit is very, I think kasya naman siya. Yung brand nito, I don't know. I'm not familiar with the brand, of course. Galing siya sa ibang bansa, ganun. It's Golden Banner. Ayan. I love this one, guys. Naghahanap talaga ako ng polo shirt na maganda. And this is giving. I'll show you once I try it on. Next would be trousers, guys. Tulad nga ng nasabi ko sa inyo, ang dami kong nabiling. Hindi naman super dami. Pero most of the finds that I got, I'll be wearing this sa office. I got 2 trousers. First one is this gray trouser. Ang ganda niya. I'm size 31 pala. And slim fit. Slim fit siya. Slim or straight cut, I guess. Pero medyo slim siya nung sinukat ko. This one. And I also got this one. This is trouser also. Pero yung tela niya parang corduroy. Ayan o. Parang corduroy yung tela. And ang gusto ko sa kanya, super black pa. Parang hindi siya luma. Parang bagong-bago siya, guys. I think I'll try this on also. Then, tapakita ko sa inyo. This one, it doesn't have a brand. This one has a brand. Cafe Soho. Ayan yung brand niya. Then, this two, I got this for 5 ringgit also. If you will 5 ringgit also this one. If you will convert this sa Philippine peso, it is like 60 pesos, ganun. And I forgot, this polo pala, this polo shirt, I got this for 5 ringgit. 5 ringgit also. Next are the tank tops. Tank tops, guys. Since, ayan, nakikita nyo na mahilig ako sa tank tops. I got 3 tank tops. 2 black and 1 gray with black lining. Ito siya. Gray with black lining, and I have 2 blacks. These are Uniqlo's, guys. These are Uniqlo's. Ayan. And the color, hindi pa siya faded. So, ang ganda talaga ng quality niya. Ayan. And then this one, Uniqlo also. So, all of the tank tops that I got, Uniqlo, 5 ringgit each. So, parang 60 pesos also. Next, let's go to A1 t-shirt. I got this t-shirt, a Coca-Cola logo t-shirt, guys. Ang ganda ng fit nito sa akin nung trinay ko. And this is original Coca-Cola tea, guys. Ayan, may Coca-Cola pa siya. And then, this is real cotton. Ang ganda ng fit niya sa akin. Talagang putok na putok yung chest ko. And then, it's cotton. Ang ganda sa pakiramdam ang press ko. Kaya, I got this one, guys. Coca-Cola Classic. Ganda. I'll show this to you as well pag suot ko na. Let's go to polos, guys. For polo, oh, by the way, this Coca-Cola, I got this for 12 ringgit. Medyo mahal siya because of the quality and of course, siguro dahil original siya. But it's nice. One for 12 ringgit, I think it is about 140 to 150 pesos if we'll convert it into peso. So, I got 2 items na 12 ringgit and I have 1 item, ayun yung pinakamahal. It cost me 28 ringgit, guys. So for 28, it is like 300 to 320 pesos. So next would be another Uniqlo, guys. A Uniqlo polo. Oh, it's not Uniqlo pala, sorry. It's H&M polo, guys. I think for 12 ringgit, it's already a steal because of the quality. Ang ganda pa niya. Wala siyang damage. Ayan. And this is H&M, guys. Ang prices ng polo sa H&M is nasa 1,000 plus. And this one, I just got this for 12 ringgit. It's H&M. There. And ang ganda ng quality. I'll have to try this and show this to you guys also. Let's go with the 5 ringgit polo, guys. This one, a striped polo. So, I'm planning of, actually, dalawa siya. Itong isa, dotted stripe something. Ayan. This one, ang ganda ng tela nito, guys. The brand is Mr. Sanyo. And for this one, sabbatical. So, I'm planning of pairing it into slack for formal and office wears. But pag lalabas ako and medyo mainit, I can just button down or unbutton it half and then pair it with a short, then sandals. I think that's a perfect outfit na rin siya when going outside. So, it's a dual purpose. So, I got this too. By the way, etong isa, medyo stiff yung kanyang tela. And itong isa, loose na loose, ang gaan-gaan, and ang lambot niya. I think it's perfect also for summer wear. You'll just have to pair it with short. So, it's good na. And last but not the least, so for this one, it's 5 ringgit also for the long sleeve polo. And last but not the least, and this is the expensive, the 28 ringgit that I got. I don't know, I just feel like I wanted to wear jumpsuit, yun na, kasi I haven't wear one in the past. So, nung nakita ko siya, ang ganda pa ng quality niya and sakto siya sa build ko and maganda siya. I got this navy green jumpsuit, guys. Medyo malaki siya. Ayan. Ayan, basta jumpsuit siya na may buttons lang dyan sa taas pag ganyan. And then, I'll wear this. I'll show this to you and maganda siya, I think. Kayo na mag-decide. And the brand is Divided. The color itself, maganda. Hindi siya faded. It's navy green kung navy green. I think I wanted to pair it with a boots, a Chelsea one or Doc Martens na boots. I guess that's pretty all of my finds sa ating JBR Ukay thing na ginawa natin last Saturday. I'll show you guys other ukay-ukay location here in Malaysia. So if you have time visiting here as a tourist or yung nag-work kayo dito, you can visit those shops. And I can tell you, magaganda yung ukay-ukay items that they have in here and mura pa. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you for watching, guys. Once again, this is Ronnie. Bye!